everybody, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to Vlogtober, where this month I'm going to be sharing things to help us to get our house and our gardens ready for the fall, for the holidays. This October was always the perfect time for me to start, doing deep cleaning, getting my fall decor, getting some freezer meals in the freezer, doing soups and all that fun stuff. So each day, and I'm not going to do a long drawn out video, but each day I'm going to do something to get things ready for fall and for the holidays. So October has always been great for that. So I just want to inspire you guys that, by the end of the month, you're going to have 30 things completed. And so by the holidays, by Thanksgiving and Christmas, you'll just have to, just do, concentrate on other things. So October is also a month where I like to get my pantry stocked and do a lot more shopping. I do a lot of shopping and get the stuff that I can get in the house so that November I can just focus on baking and cooking. All right, so today I'm just going to, where's my rag at? Today I'm doing a tablescape. So at the beginning of October, I like to, I start cleaning and I start getting my decorations out. So I'm just going to wipe the table down. Get the chairs wiped down. And I shopped my home. There's only one item that's new. So in October, I like a lot of neutrals. Okay, you'll see that. These are some linen napkins that my neighbor, she monogrammed for me. I love these. These have been around for a long time. So these are our favorites. These are the only new things on this table. These cute little appetizer plates. Maple leaf. And here is a little floral arrangement that I made. I have this. This is an old, milk jug. I got one smaller. I've had these for years. So I just put some florals in here. And I got some pampas grass and, all different types. Put that right there. This time of year, I love it neutral, okay? All right, let's see, we're almost done. I have these goblets. And the finishing touch are salt and pepper shakers. I love seasonal salt and pepper shakers. And that's my little pop of color. That's all I need. Okay. Take this. These are candles. Take this off. That's a cashmere vanilla candle. Got that from Dollar Tree. These little plates came from Aldi. These goblets came from Hobby Lobby. And so I got florals from Dollar Tree. I have some from a Dollar Tree, Walmart. So that vase there, it wasn't all that cheap, but it's so old I can't remember. Okay, so just go around and so that's how we can create a nice, clean, and tasteful fall tablescape on a budget. Okay, I'm going to cozy it up and put some fall pillows. I think these are so pretty. I love like natural fibers, and I guess because I crochet, and so I just like stuff with natural textures, burlap and yarn, and then I got these little pumpkin pillows, and I love the little, what is that? Forgot what you call that. That's a natural fiber. Put that there. Because when we sit down at the table, we sit down for a while. Just have a little. Okay, guys, so this is my October fall 2025 tablescape. Very neutral, natural, affordable, but it looks high end. It looks just like, Looks just as good as those high-end stores. All right, guys. All right, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in today, and yeah, just trying to show the table. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate your support, and if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. Tanya's Tasteful Table is a home and garden lifestyle channel. So, we have a lot of fun here. We keep it tastefully for less. See you in my next video. All right. Bye. Bye, Mom.